Today's video, I want to show you the new insert gap feature that came out in the Resolve 20.3 update. You can find this under the edit menu here. Down at the bottom, it says insert gap. I mapped mine to the letter G. So now if I want to put a gap in between these clips right here, if I type G, you can see everything shifted over. And if we go X, you can see we have a 5-second gap. Now that's determined by your standard still duration. So if you hit Command, comma, that'll open up Resolve Preferences. Under Editing, under User, right here is your standard still duration. And right now it's set to 5, so you could change it if you want right there and hit Save. You can also determine whatever the gap needs to be by typing it in. Previous to this new feature, if you wanted to shift everything in your timeline, you could hit Option Y. And as you can see, that selects all my clips to the right of the playhead. And then I could hit +10, for instance, and then hit enter, and that would also shift it over without that shortcut. That's a little bit different than having a gap. Now, if you wanted to just insert a gap here, you could park it wherever you want your gap. I'm going to hit +10 on my numeric keypad and then hit my shortcut G. And now we have a gap of 10 seconds. Now to map your keyboard shortcut, you can hit Command Option K or go to the Resolve menu up at the top left here under Keyboard Customization. It's going to pop up your keyboard window. And if we go to our search bar here and just type in Insert, the second option under the Edit is Insert Gap, and you can see I've got G mapped out. So now if we need to put a gap in wherever, just hit it or type it in. I've been using this since day one on this update. I think I'll be adding it to my workflow from here forward. So that's how you can map your shortcut and set your custom duration. All right, I hope that helps. If it does, consider giving me a like and subscribe. It always helps and I appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching and see you guys on the next one.